What's up everybody, Bubblesy out here. In today's video I will be drawing Kid Goku GT Spirit Bomb as a tutorial. So for the guidelines of the face we are using 2.5 centimeters. The paper I'm using is A4 220 GSM and the pencil is H3. So all the equipment I'm using for this tutorial is in the description box down below, so you guys can go check it out. So we are starting off with the eyes. Make sure they are the same length as each other. So you can use a ruler if you need help with keeping the right proportion. For the colouring, I will put all the colours in the description box down below, all the code names. So the fine line I'm using is 0.2 and I'm using it for the eyes and the whole body. For the outline of the hair, which is the grey part, I'm using CG2. So we are using 94 for the light tone, 91 for the mid tone, and 92 for the dark tone. So for the shirt we are using 76 as the main tone, BG1 for the highlights, and 74 for the darkest shade. So for the pants we are using 44 for the highlights, 24 for the main tone, and 31 for the darkest. Also guys, keep in mind that the light is coming from both sides, so you want to make the middle darker than the left and the right. For the skin tone we are using 26 as the highlight, 25 as the main tone, and 146 for the dark tone, making sure to blend your colours together. For the wristbands we are using 6 and 7. But we're using BG1 as the light, BG3 as the mid tone, and BG5 as the dark tone. Lend me your energy! Now for the final spirit bomb, we're using 67. So guys, make sure to add some scratches just to make him look more battle damaged. I'm just using a standard black pencil and a dark red for the scratches and a bit of the blood effect. Another thing guys, you can also add little dots on Goku, so I just used a white pen from Posca and just add little dots around to give him sparkly added extra effect. finished the drawing, guys. I'm really impressed on how it turned out. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you thought about it in the comments down below. Also, if you drew this drawing, send it to me on Instagram at MroBroZArt. And I'll see you in the next video. Kamehameha!